how's everyone doing? Happy Easter. I wanted to come back and shoot this old junkyard full of diesel trucks. There's a couple Peterbilt, and then there's an old GMC cab over, and a lot of other stuff. There's like an old Greyhound type of bus, and well, anyway, let's check out some of this and see what we can find. Here is the old, this looks like an old GMC cab over from maybe the early 70s. I don't know. Now back there is a Peterbilt. We'll get a better look at it. This is an old International. You don't see too many International wagon style trucks. But yep, that's the L110 series. And looks like maybe the last time it was driven was 1992. And that's the front end. That's the International logo. Do this without cutting myself. Cool though, I like the old rusty blue. Look at that old tractor. Here's an old commercial bus of some sort. I don't know if it's a Greyhound or what, but gross. There's where everybody would put their luggage. Look at that old Chevy. My buddy used to have a gray one just like that. Look at all these signs. Mattress Firm, Subway. Yeah. Old Nomad Camper. That's kind of cool. Durham Christmas pageant. See what this is. This is an old Peterbilt or not. No, it's a Kenworth. An old cab over Kenworth. And there, what is that, an old Buick? Here's some old Plymouth. Look at these old, there's an old Chrysler, an old, here's some cars from the 50s. This old Plymouth right here. Wow. Oh, that's an old dump truck. Hey, there's an old church bus. I always wondered if the Christian school I went to, we used an old bus from the 60s that was a stick shift. I always wondered where it ended up. There's another old Plymouth. I don't want to try to go through that. There's all kinds of stuff back here. There's an old white, it looks like a white bus back there, but I can't make heads or tails. Here's the old Peterbilt. Better look at it. Detroit diesel. Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna get out of here. I've pretty much showed you, pretty much seen everything that I can get to. And I guess I'll see you next time. And thank you for joining me.